severe thunderstorm was located near Huntersville, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Huntersville, Kannapolis, downtown Concord, northeast Charlotte, west Concord, Harrisburg, University City, Charlotte Motor Speedway, Cottle Creek Reservoir and Croft. Thunderstorm warning for northeastern Rutherford County in western North Carolina, western Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, central Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, south central Burke County in western North Carolina, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles south of Morganton, or 4 miles southwest of South Mountain State Park, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cherville, Bellwood, Lawndale, Fallston, Polkville, Waco, Keyser, Kingstown, South Mountain State Park, and Krause. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Burke, Cleveland, Gaston, Lincoln, and Rutherford. Huntersville, Northwest Charlotte, Cornelius, Mount Holly, Belmont, Dallas, Maiden, Stanley, and Cramerton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Catawba, Gaston, Ardell, Lincoln, and Mecklenburg.